Assalamualaikum, I am Abdul Basit. Today I will teach you how to export project to APK file. First of all, you will need this application. You can assist, link is in the description. Open it, download it, and install it. After installing, just open it and give it some permission. Then go back to your AV Studio, Ab2d Engine. Here your project is created. Click on any project. Then this is a button. Click on this. This will redirect to that exported an APK. Then run this process. On this process running, it will show you logs and our build is successful. This button is not currently working. In the next step, I will fix it. Just go back and now long click here to install your application. Here you go, our project is routed to execution. I am already installed, so I am updating, otherwise you install. Thank you very much. Open this project and this is activated. Thank you very much.